Jim Taz Evans started his career as a comic book illustrator.
Hey, what's going on? This is Rob McCarty from Illust, and today we are going to be going through how to produce a hologram using the Illust Creator Studio as well as our Mux integration. So you might be doing a historical tour, you might be curating a gallery. There's so many different reasons for having a hologram enter the party when you're creating AR. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive right in. So we already have the scene set up. I'm just going to walk you through what we inputted into the studio to make this happen. So first and foremost, we're going to start off, we're in general data. We're going to assign a name to the experience. We're also going to assign a slug, where we're going to generate a URL for it in the AR scene. The publisher or author is actually, this was for a client. So we were working with the Four Seasons and their art curator on this specific hologram. They did an AR docent. So in the about, we actually provide that information for the Four Seasons art gallery. So yeah, make sure that click show on map so that this is visible and you can activate it when you go to a given location. And the real specific thing you need to note when creating a hologram is that we're using the streaming texture content function in our studio. So what we're actually doing is we're providing a way to have the video play through a stream that we're producing through Mux. So we'll show you how to create a Mux account just very briefly a little bit later in this video. But first, we want to just kind of walk you through what the dynamics are. So this playback ID, we're going to grab this from Mux. I'll show you where to grab that in a second. We want to loop the stream, so when the AR hologram pops up, that it keeps talking about the experience. If you don't want it to keep playing, turn this off. Now, as you can see, this is a green screen video. So the curator had a green screen to work off of, but there's also some video apps for like an iPad or iPhone that'll actually create a green screen behind you, and I'll share those more in the video details. But in this case, we have a chroma key when you're using the streaming video texture function. So we just keyed out the green from the green screen. And we have different ways to make it a little bit more efficient. So like similarity, smoothness, spill. Keep tweaking these. I'll drop these specific numbers that we use for this green screen in the video details as well. But yeah, this is essentially what the core details are for the stream. But as you notice, we actually turn the shadow off, and you can do that in lighting where you just flip the switch on it, and that's really all it takes. So let's go ahead and show the process for creating a account through Mux. So now we're in the Mux side of the process. So in order to get your streaming video, your hologram set up, we're going to want to choose a video. I set up a free account, super easy to do. It took me about 30 seconds. They really make it easy for you. But if I click this button, create your first asset, and then I'm going to drag the hologram green screen video I want into the uploader. Not going to really change much here. I'm just going to click next. Again, clicking next through this. It's really easy to do. It's going to now upload for a couple seconds, so bear with us as this uploads. Welcome back. Took about 3 minutes to load up, but now we have it set up, and you see it just dropped in. So if I click on this, I'll have the video. It's all loaded up. If I click Asset Details, this is going to be the ID that we drop into the studio. So again, it's just under Asset Details and Playback ID. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm going to go into the studio here. Turn the preview back on. And I'm going to go ahead and drop that code under Content, Streaming Texture, Playback ID right here. So that's the process. Again, holograms are a great way to engage people on site, provide more information, give them a structured walkthrough. Just so many fun ways to engage fans through AR. So we hope that you enjoy this tutorial, that it was straightforward enough, and looking forward to seeing what you place in the world. Thanks so much for your time. Bye.